Hi, my name is Selena. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you are new. Hit the like button and then comment too. So today I'm not going to talk much because they say I like talking too much in my intro. So as you can read from the title, we are going to do a truth about our friendship. You can be friends, but you cannot say a lot of things to your friend. You cannot ask some questions to your friend. So today we are going to ask some spicy questions. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. In addition to this video, I'm doing a mukbang. So I have my cook here. We all have cook here and plantations. So as the conversation is going to get hotter and hotter, we need something to cool our mind. So we decided to add a mukbang to it. So let's get right. I have questions here. She also have questions. So we're going to ask each other. The questions were given to me by some of our friends. So it's going to be an interesting one. So stay tuned. So first question. I'm going to ask the questions. They will answer together. The first question is, how did you guys meet? And how was your friendship when growing up?
No, I look at you, but I don't know.
How did you guys meet? Okay,
Yes.
how we met.
Caution, I like food.
She likes it, so she's going to start. So maybe like we stay in the same place, like the same barracks. We stay in
We
the
were born at
barracks.
the same
We
place.
were born at the same place. Then I was born before him.
That's unfortunate.
So it's a long story, but my neighbor moved and she came to stay beside me. So we had no choice to be friends. And she came to stay with me.
God bless you.
And how was your friendship when you were growing up?
Like how friends grow up. Like I don't know how to.
Like
Find
it
the
was
answer.
normal. It was normal.
We
Like,
eat, we sleep, we eat, we sleep, we eat, we sleep.
it's okay. So that was it. That was how we met. So it's your question.
My first question, the center of the question that I understand. One thing you did together that your parents don't know. Like, hey!
One thing we did, we ran away to go and visit our friend or something like that.
That's not about it.
Eh.
We went to visit the center of the question.
You yourself, you know we came to visit you. We didn't tell our parents. So that's it. We came to
We lied
visit
that
you.
we are colleagues.
Yes, and we came to visit you. Yeah, that was it. We came to visit you at Dogo.
And also we left school to go to.
It's normal for being in school and then going out there. You don't expect me to go and tell my mother, oh, I'm going
She
out
understand.
like this thing. So that's it. My second question: what is the common goals you guys wanna achieve together? I don't know. Her aim is different from mine. Totally different.
What I achieved together, see, we'll be rich. Yeah.
We'll be rich together.
Spend money.
Yes, that's it. Because our achievements are so
Our
different.
achievement as well. Whoever asked this question, why are you like that?
Our aim is so different. So your second question.
How do you handle anger issues?
How do we how do we handle anger issues? Like
We don't like, let's say if we both get angry at each other. I look at my face, she looks at her phone. Then I'm going bye bye, bye bye. Then we go, the following day we move.
That's it, simple and short. So who is most annoying?
Me. Yeah, it's me. Some things that they do not get, it's me. It's me. That
You
one
guys
here.
have seen her.
It's me. Me, I'm annoying you. Hey. It's me.
Okay.
This is my, I don't know, where did I get this question? What is your greatest fear?
Is it the both of us?
Yes. What is our greatest fear? Failure.
Thank you.
I thought I liked you, but I just realized.
Next one. My third question. Do you argue so much that you guys don't talk to each other for days? No. Period.
Things are unnecessary. Has a guy come between you two before? And will one ever come between you two? And who sent this question?
Read it again.
Has a guy come between you two before? And will one ever come between you two? That guy has been from my age.
No. Period.
Why do you like guy matter like that?
Have you gossiped around each other's back? Yes. It's conk. Because there are some things that she will do I cannot say. You have to go and say to someone else.
See, we are girls.
We are girls, so if you know a girl, you know a girl for answer. Period.
Why are you still over saying period? Who ever taught you this? Come and read on teacher. Have you ever been in the same school? UG?
Yes. We are still in the same school. Yes, we are in the same school. So last question. I don't like long videos nowadays. How did you get to know each other better? Which led to your best friendship?
We drank coke every day. And we ate chips.
Okay.
Everybody knows our life. That one. We drank coke every day. Yes, we did. We drank every day. Like, and we ate coke.
We ate chips. So,
Answer the question.
how did it work?
The question you asked me, I've answered. I don't know.
I don't know.
The more you stay with somebody, the closer you become. That's what I think, or I think I know. But maybe.
Good. The last question.
This question was actually a statement, and I sent it to a question because the thing was asked question. The statement was you are both smart. So the question is, are you both smart? Yes.
Yes, thank you. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe if you are new to the channel.
I'm the only person drink the coke. Stop doing pepper. Drink the coke. Don't do that.
Like, comment, and share. And I'll be back with more videos.
Seriously. I don't know whether Christmas is over yet, but Merry Christmas to you. Bye.
Bye.